In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve common video playback issues you're experiencing on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then scrolling down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, go down to get to the section that says Video Playback, find and fix problems of playing movies, TV shows, or videos. Select that and then run the troubleshooter on your HP device. Follow through with the steps and read about what exactly your particular issue is and just follow along with the directions. And then hopefully that should lead you in the right direction, or hopefully the best case scenario, just actually resolve the problem automatically. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.